Hello, good afternoon, our respected teacher and our dear friends. Today we are talking about identification anemia. Hope this conversation will help you all. Now we are going to start.
Hello, sister. How are you doing?
I am going. I am doing good. Thank you. And yourself?
I'm also doing great. Can we talk about iron deficiency anemia?
Of course, we can talk about identification anemia. Do you know about it?
Yes, I know little bit about iron deficiency anemia. I am also suffer from this.
I am sorry to hear that. When did you suffer from iron deficiency anemia?
I suffered before 1 year ago.
What are the symptoms? What were the symptoms that you experienced?
I experienced that symptoms like unusual craving and unusual craving, weakness, fatigue, and pale skin, and cold extremities and hand, and so on.
When did you know about are you suffering from iron deficiency anemia?
I felt something's wrong with my body. I tested blood hemoglobin level had 6.9 gram per dl. I visited with doctor and I took iron supplements.
Now, how do you feel and what about your hemoglobin level?
Now I am feeling well and my hemoglobin level is 13 gram per dl. How can we prevent iron deficiency anemia?
We can prevent iron deficiency anemia through intake rich iron rich food just like cereal, vegetables, fruits and so on, and we also can intake iron tablet in adolescent and pregnancy time.
What are the underlying causes of iron deficiency anemia?
The underlying causes of iron deficiency anemia are lost excessive blood, low intake in iron rich food, inadequate absorptions of iron, and woodworm infestations too.
Who are risk group?
The most risk group are human, children, adolescent, vegetarians, and frequently blood donors.
What are the complications of iron deficiency anemia?
The the complications of iron deficiency anemia are heart problem in growth, and also problem rise in the pregnancy period.
Thank you, sister, for this information. It helps me to prevent iron deficiency anemia and further complication. Thank you for all listening our conversation. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, Sujata.
Hello. Hi.
Uh, which is the deepest river in Nepal?
The deepest river in Nepal in Narayani River.
Uh, what is the river is located?
The river is located at
Where is
the river is between Narayani and Dharan.
what is the river? What is the river? What is the river? what is the river? Oh, she's our which is the which can we do boating the river, that river?
Yes, I do.
And which what is the length of Narayani river?
The length of Narayani river is 814 kilometer.
Do what does can we can do boating this river?
Yes, I do.
Does crocodile in the river?
Yes, sir. The crocodile live in their river, Narayani river.
What is the length of Narayani pool?
The length of Narayani river 412 meter.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hello, good morning.
Hi, good morning. How are you?
I'm fine. What are you?
I'm great.
Yeah. Um, uh, do you like village?
Yes, I belong from village. That's why I like village. And do you like village or not?
Yes, I like village.
What things you like the most about village?
What thing I think village is very most beautiful.
Yeah.
There is means their nature is very beautiful.
Yeah.
Their in their air is fresh that all.
Do you like city or village? If I tell you about choose one, both of them, you have to choose one. Which you choose?
I choose both, but I like village. And city is um, our other city is our response हाम्रो आवश्यकताहरूलाई के भन्छ our need is to solve. So
Do you like summer or winter?
I like some winter.
Okay, then. Why?
What do you like summer?
Yeah, also like so. No, I don't like summer. I like winter.
Why do you like winter?
Cause winter is not that much not that much good for our health.
Yeah.
So that's why I like winter for no reason. I just like it.
Where are your do you where do you live? Where do you live? Give it. Hold on, I know. Sorry. Today is
Okay, see you tomorrow and
okay. Thank
bye.
you.
Bye.
See you tomorrow. Thank you.
Today we are conversation with one topic. This topic is full moon. Wireless conversation. Okay, start. Hello, Milan.
Hi.
Uh, there is a full moon. Isn't it beautiful?
You know what? You know what? You know what they saw about full moon?
No, what do they say?
Mm. Where? Where's? Where's? Mm. Where things happen when there are full moon?
That's that's an old tale.
Uh, you don't believe it?
No, absolutely not.
Mm. Do you believe in werewolves? Well,
What are werewolves?
mm, creatures, creatures that are half human, half wolf. They come out when there's a full moon.
Now you are being ridiculous. Um, I'm going. I'm going to the. I'm going to look for the brightest.
Why?
If you say, if you see the star brightest, uh, you can make a wish. It will come true.
Mm, eh, you are being ridiculous. You are being ridiculous.
Uh, I'm going to wish that. Um, but now we are stop this conversation.
Mm, what if you see a werewolf tonight?
Uh, you are been watching too many horror movies. Okay, thanks so much.
Thank
That's
you.
conversation.
Hi Dipson, good morning.
Hi Goma, good morning.
How are you Dipson?
I'm fine. And what's about you?
I'm also good. How was your holiday?
It was so amazing.
It's a great to it's great too. So what did you do on holiday?
I vi- I went to visit my grandparents in the village. I spent a week there.
Oh, that's so fun.
Yes, I. It was so fun there. I have lot of cousins in my village. I went after 2 years.
Wow, this is very nice. So how was your place look like?
It is small but beautiful village near a river. On the other side, there are big hills.
It seems beautiful. What have you done there?
I visited the river and the hills with my cousin, and I uh, it is journey on a boat in a river. Overall, this is very so fun.
I'm so excited hearing of all from you. So I wish visit to beautiful place.
You can come to my village next holiday.
Thank you so much for inviting me on next holiday. Thank you, Dipson.
Okay, welcome.